Some Canberrans have already checked out of checking in.
There's no real point. The only time I sort of check in is like the kids' schools and stuff like that.
I haven't been checking in because they're not doing any follow-up at the moment.
I will probably keep checking in every way, even if it's not required, just for peace of mind mostly.
From this weekend, it will no longer be mandated at most hospitality and retail venues. There are some exceptions though. Checking in is still required at schools and childcare centres, as well as organised events that aren't ticketed like markets. If you visit a bar, club, strip club or brothel, you'll also still need to use a QR code.
People who test positive for COVID-19, if they have checked into particular high-risk locations, that data will be automatically matched, and people who've checked in around the same time or been in that location around the same time will be automatically notified.
It's a significant shift from the way we've been living.
I think this is all a sign, firstly, that the numbers are coming down in the ACT, which is really good news, but also we're going to have a different approach now that the consequences for us are much less.
The downward trend of new case numbers in the last week is encouraging. There were just 299 new cases today, the first time that figure has been below 300 since the end of December.
The other reason we can be optimistic is the percentage of positive cases of all the PCR tests is also going down.
Though we're not out of the woods just yet.
I think we're yet to see the full impact of schools returning and people returning to work and more movement around our community.
The crowds of protesters are also on the radar of health authorities.
There is potential for that large number of people crowding together to result in new cases of COVID-19, and of course those people are moving around the ACT, and that may result in transmission to our local community.
If people who are unvaccinated are outside and we keep their distance, they're probably not going to be a big risk to a lot of others if we do all sensible things.
While it isn't time yet to delete the app we've all grown to know so well, Canberrans won't be required to reach for the phone quite so often. Holly Tregenza, ABC News, Canberra.